What is, how many days? A month and what?
I don't know. 4 days maybe?
A month and 4 days?
Maybe.
She finally learned how to suck on her pacifier, and she can track things with her eyes. She's kind of tired right now.
Oh, yeah. She's not gonna do it.
She's following it. She's smiling now and again. Matter of fact, she smiled a lot today, but like I said, she's tired right now, so she probably won't smile.
Oh, no.
There she is crying.
She's here. Here. Oh, yeah, so good. That's so good.
Aw, she's gonna go to sleep.
Is an open table at lunchtime. Cable advertising. It's easy, it's affordable, it works. AT&T Media Services. Get your ads working. Vito, up to you. I lost all my money in the highlight.
What are you selling?
Grandfather's watch. It's an antique. Solid silver. Genuine bull.
It's not an antique. It's not solid silver. In fact, it isn't even a Bulova. I know their trademark. And I don't think it's very nice to try and take advantage of someone just because they're young and naive.
Hey, Liz.
Only the most beautiful women, each carefully selected for the beauty of their body and the depravity of their mind.
What are you doing here? Are you watching my car? The car's okay. Listen, I came here to buy firecrackers, so I bought them.
You and your little friend both come inside. 2 for $1 deal.
It's my little brother, buddy.
Won't you do something for us, Alex? Something exciting, like a smile. A smile would be nice. A smile would be nice. Here's Alex. She's starting to find her voice. I thought I'd see if we can get her on tape. She's lying under her swing set with toys on it.
You gotta watch everybody all the time. Very careful.
Here we go, ma'am. The last 15 tricks. And you're responsibility.
Fine. Nothing like doing things the Army way.
That's the Cookie Monster. You had him. You had him. 6 weeks old. Still pretty little. Talking to that big bird. Oh, she's got her foot going. See, this is what she does when she's hungry. Now she stopped, of course. Alex! Hi, pretty girl! What are you up to down there, huh? Smiling at the camera? Huh? You smiling at the camera? What do you see, huh? Is that the big bird? She seems to be quite fascinated with the camera. I don't know why there's no light on it. Alex! Mm. What you got to say, Alex? What was that? What was that? Alex. Alex.